What is 0.5 as a percentage? 5%, 500%, 50%. The correct answer is 50%. Knowledge boost: to convert a decimal to a percentage, multiply by 100. So 0.5 multiplied by 100 equals 50%. The word percent means out of 100. What is 25% as a decimal? 2.5, 0.025, 0.25. The correct answer is 0.25. Here's something cool: to convert a percentage to a decimal, divide by 100. So 25 divided by 100 equals 0.25. You can think of this as moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. What is 1/4 as a percentage? 40%, 20%, 25%. The correct answer is 25%. Surprising trivia: 1/4 equals 0.25 as a decimal. Multiply by 100 to get 25%. So 1/4 and 25% and 0.25 all represent the same amount, 1/4. What is 10% of 80? 6, 10, 8. The correct answer is 8. Did you know? To find 10%, divide by 10. 80 divided by 10 equals 8. Finding 10% first is a useful strategy for calculating other percentages like 20%, double it, or 5%, have it. What is 50% of 120? 80, 40, 60. The correct answer is 60. Knowledge boost: 50% means half. Half of 120 equals 60. You can also calculate it as 120 multiplied by 0.5 equals 60, or 120 divided by 2 equals 60. What is 0.75 as a fraction in its simplest form? 7/10, 3/5, 3/4. The correct answer is 3/4. Fun fact: 0.75 equals 75/100. Simplify by dividing both by 25 to get 3/4. So 0.75 and 75% and 3/4 all represent the same amount, 3/4. What is 20% of 60? 10, 6, 12. The correct answer is 12. Knowledge boost: 20% equals 2 times 10%. First find 10% of 60 equals 6. Then multiply by 2 to get 20% equals 12. Or calculate 60 multiplied by 0.2 equals 12. What is 0.3 as a percentage? 3%, 300%, 30%. The correct answer is 30%. Here's a nugget of wisdom: to convert a decimal to a percentage, multiply by 100. 0.3 multiplied by 100 equals 30%. So 0.3 is the same as 3 over 10 and 30%. What is 15% of 200? 25, 40, 30. The correct answer is 30. Fun fact, find 10% of 200 equals 20. Find 5% of 200 equals 10. Add them together, 10% plus 5% equals 15% equals 20 plus 10 equals 30. What is 1/5 as a decimal? 0.5, 0.15, 0.2. The correct answer is 0.2. Here's an interesting fact. Divide the numerator by the denominator. 1 divided by 5 equals 0.2. As a percentage, this is 20%. So 1/5 and 0.2 and 20% all represent the same amount. What is 0.125 as a fraction in its simplest form? 1/4, 1/10, 1/8. The correct answer is 1/8. Here's an interesting fact. 0.125 equals 125/1000. Divide both by 125 to get 1/8. You can check, 1 divided by 8 equals 0.125. 1/8 is halfway between 0 and 1/4. What is 35% of 100? 25, 45, 35. The correct answer is 35. A quick fact for you, when the whole is 100, the percentage and the actual amount are the same number. 35% of 100 equals 35. This is because percent literally means per hundred. Which is greater, 0.7 or 65%? 65%. They are equal. 0.7. The correct answer is 0.7. Here's a nugget of wisdom. 0.7 as a percentage is 70%. Since 70% is greater than 65%, the decimal 0.7 is the larger value. Always convert to the same form before comparing. What is 5% of 60? 4, 6, 3. The correct answer is 3. Knowledge boost, find 10% of 60 equals 6. Have it to find 5%, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Alternatively, calculate 60 multiplied by 0.05 equals 3. What is 1.5 as a percentage? 15%, 1.5%, 150%. The correct answer is 150%. Here's a nugget of wisdom. To convert a decimal to a percentage, multiply by 100. 1.5 multiplied by 100 equals 150%. A percentage over 100 means more than the whole. What is 40% of 90? 28, 32, 36. The correct answer is 36. Here's something cool. Find 10% of 90 equals 9. Multiply by 4 to find 40%. 9 multiplied by 4 equals 36. Or calculate 90 multiplied by 0.4 equals 36. What is 0.08 as a percentage? 80%. 0.8%. 8%. The correct answer is 8%. Impress your friends with this fact. Multiply by 100, 0.08 multiplied by 100 equals 8%. Note that 0.08 is quite small minus only 800ths. Compare, 0.8 would be 80% and 8.0 would be 800%. A jumper costs £40 and the price increases by 25%. What is the new price? £42. £55. £50. The correct answer is £50. Here's something cool. Find 25% of 40. 10% equals 4, so 25% equals £10. Add to original. 40 plus 10 equals £50. A 25% increase on £40 gives a new price of £50. What is 60% of 150? 80. 90. 100. The correct answer is 90. Impress your friends with this fact. Find 10% of 150 equals 15. Multiply by 6 to find 60%. 15 multiplied by 6 equals 90. Or calculate 150 multiplied by 0.6 equals 90. What is 7 over 10 as a decimal? 0.07. 7.0. 0.7. The correct answer is 0.7. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Divide the numerator by the denominator. 7 divided by 10 equals 0.7. As a percentage, this is 70%. The denominator 10 tells you the digit is in the tens column. What is 75% as a decimal? 7.5. 0.075. 0.75. The correct answer is 0.75. Here's an interesting fact. Divide by 100. 75 divided by 100 equals 0.75. So 75% and 0.75 and 3/4 are all equivalent. They all represent 3/4 of a whole. What is 33.3% approximately equal to as a fraction? 1/4. 1/2. 1/3. The correct answer is 1/3. A quick fact for you, 33.3% is approximately equal to 1/3. 1 divided by 3 equals 0.333, which as a percentage is 33.33%. It is a recurring decimal because the 3's repeat forever. A shop gives 20% discount on a £60 item. How much do you pay? £55. £44. £48. The correct answer is £48. Here's something cool. Find 20% of 60. 10% equals 6, so 20% equals £12. Subtract from the original. 60 minus 12 equals £48. A 20% discount saves you £12. What is 0.45 as a percentage? 4.5%, 0.45%, 45%. The correct answer is 45%. Here's an interesting fact. Multiply by 100, 0.45 multiplied by 100 equals 45%. The decimal 0.45 has a 4 in the tens place and a 5 in the hundredths place. 40% plus 5% equals 45%. A class of 30 pupils has 18 girls. What percentage of the class are girls? 56%, 62%, 60%. The correct answer is 60%. A quick fact for you: write as a fraction 18 over 30. Simplify 3/5. Convert to percentage. 3 divided by 5 equals 0.6 equals 60%. So 60% of the class are girls. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.